Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today in English, we'll do the poem Traffic Rules. This poem is all about a boy named Ronnie. In this poem, we will come to know about the traffic rules. We should have a good knowledge of traffic rules. In this poem, a boy named Ronnie knows the traffic rules and he moves round and round on his bicycle. So, children, here is the poem. Ronnie has a new cycle. He loves to skid and move round in circle. Like a hobgoblin, he loves to turn and spin. Thinks he is strong, but he is thin. Children, here in this first paragraph, we come to know about how Ronnie moves on his cycle. So, here is the paragraph. Ronnie has a new cycle. Ronnie के पास एक new cycle है. He just loves to skid and move round in circle. He loves to slide and make rounds in circle on his bicycle. Like a hobgoblin, he loves to turn and spin. Like hobgoblin, children, hobgoblin means a mischievous, important or sprite. Like hobgoblin is in the shape of circle, in the similar way, Ronnie also wants to make his moves round and round in circle. He loves to turn and spin. He wants to make turns and spins. Children, here spin means turn or cause to turn or whirl round quickly. वो बार बार टर्न्स लेने की कोशिश करता है and make whirls round quickly. Thinks he is strong, but he is thin. He thinks he is very strong, but in actual situation he is thin. Zigzagging, zip zap zooming, with danger always looming. His parents say safety rules definitely pay. Cycle helmet you must wear. Instructions you should hear. So children, here zigzagging means with abrupt alternate right and left turns. He wants to make alternate turns, sometimes on the right side and sometimes on the left side of the road. Sometimes he moves his cycle on the left and sometimes he moves his cycle on the right. Zip zap zooming. Children, here zooming means move quickly, especially with the buzzing sound. He wants to move very quickly and wants to make buzzing sounds, with danger always looming. He is also in a danger so that he could not slip. And children, here looming means which appears as a vague form, जो कि बहुत बड़ा हमें दिखाई देता है. His parents say safety rules definitely pay. His parents always say you should always follow the safety rules, that is, cycle helmet you must wear, instructions you should hear. We should always wear the cycle helmet whenever we drive anything, because helmet protects our head as well as forehead. It gives protection to our upper part. Instructions you should hear. We should always follow the instructions and we should always follow the traffic rules. We should always follow the traffic signals even. Now Ronnie knows the traffic rules. Who can break them? Only fools. Now Ronnie comes to know the traffic rules, that how we should follow them and how we should work upon them. Who can break them? Only fools. Nobody has a right to break the traffic rules. Only fools can break the traffic rules. Thank you, children. I hope you all have understood the poem and it is very interesting poem. Thank you.